Assalamu alaikum students. I am Ms. Azma Zahra, your Pakistan studies teacher. Again with you with a very important topic. Today we are going to learn resources of Pakistan, SLO 5.2.1. Discuss the importance of energy resources in the development of a country, which includes natural gas, petroleum, coal and hydel power. As you know students, energy can be acquired from various resources like fuels, water, wind and sunlight. Power resources are those material through which we can produce power and energy to fulfill our power needs of the country. Important power resources are coal, oil, gas and electricity. Oil and gas are the main power resources in Pakistan. They supply 40% and 35% of the energy respectively. Hydroelectricity supplies 18% and coal 6%. Nuclear energy 6% and LPG 4% are minor resources of Pakistan. Pakistan is a small consumer of energy. Despite low consumption, Pakistan is not self-sufficient. However, with the industrial development, demand for power supply is increasing. Pakistan is not rich in power resources. Therefore, it has to import great quantity of energy resources. Power resources are very essential for the development of a country. They are considered as the mainstay of country's economy. Without power resources, agricultural and industrial sector cannot function smoothly and thus cannot contribute towards national economic growth. Following are the main power resources of Pakistan. Natural gas. Natural, as you can obtain the meaning of the word, natural means found from the nature and gas is a gas. So natural gas is the gas which found from the nature. It is an important fuel found in oil bearing rocks above the oil. These rocks have millions of tiny holes. They act like a sponge and soak up the gas as it is formed. Natural gas is the second most important source of energy found in oil bearing rocks above the oil. It supplies 35% of the energy. The search for oil in Pakistan resulted in the discovery of natural gas field at Sui, Balochistan in 1952. Pakistan Petroleum Limited discovered this gas field while drilling for oil. Sui is considered to be the largest gas field in the world. Since then, 25 gas fields have been located 6 in Balochistan, 10 in Sindh and 9 in Punjab. Sui gas is distributed to Karachi, the highly industrialized and populous city of Pakistan. A pipeline has led from Sui passing through the Sakkar and Hyderabad. The gas is also transmitted to Lahore by a pipeline passing through Rahim Yar Khan, Multan and Faisalabad. When natural gas is very cold, it turns into liquid. This liquid is called liquefied petroleum gas or LPG. It can be moved from one place to another in special cylinders. In mountainous areas like Murree, Gilgit and Aptabad, where pipelines could not be laid, people use LPG for domestic use and cooking. In some of the areas in Karachi also, people use LPG cylinders to fulfill their gas or natural gas need. There are some uses or some important uses of natural gas, as you can see on the screen. It is used in domestic use for cooking purpose. It is used in thermal power plants to generate electricity, used in industries to run the machines, as well as used in chemical fertilizer industries as raw material, and it is used as fuel as a CNG in vehicles. Mineral oil. Mineral oil is the most important fossil fuel today. It is also known as black gold. Mineral oil or petroleum is occur in porous spaces of sedimentary rocks and is derived mainly from the decomposition of marine animals and vegetative matter over several million years. It can be found many hundred of meters underground or under the seabed. In Pakistan's imported petroleum, both crude and refined, Pakistan is acutely short of petroleum resources. Therefore, oil has to be imported to meet the domestic requirements. The petroleum products are mainly consumed by transport, almost 50% of the petroleum. The geological condition in various parts of Pakistan are favorable for the formation and netting of oil resources. Large areas are occupied with sedimentary rocks and there are suitable structural traps for oil exploration. There are two oil areas in Pakistan, Potwa Plateau and Lower Sindh. There are some uses. It is used as fuel in vehicles. It is used in thermal power plants to generate electricity. It is used in industries to run their machines. The byproduct of mineral oil are used in different industries as raw materials, as well as it helps to earn the valuable foreign exchange by exporting to other countries. Pakistan is not supposed to export petroleum because Pakistan is not self-sufficient. Pakistan fulfill its need by importing the petroleum or the mineral oil. Coal. Coal is used in thermal power plants to generate electricity. It is used in simple industries like brick kiln industry. It is used in iron and steel industry, or it is used in industries to run the machines. Coal is a very old fossil fuel. The better type of coal have taken several 100 million years to form. Coal is formed by the decomposition of natural vegetation, especially equatorial swamp forest. There are different types of coal. Anthracite is the best quality coal with highest hydrocarbon content. Bituminous coal, lignite, it is also a lower quality coal, and the peat is the lowest quality coal with the lowest carbon content. Pakistan possesses low quality coal. It has low carbon content and has high ash, sulfur and volatile matter. The coal areas of our country mainly occurred in sedimentary rocks of tertiary age ranging 50 to 60 million years. The coal is considered of bituminous or lignite quality. More than 95% of the coal provided in Pakistan is used in brick kilns. There are three coal provinces: Salt Range in Punjab, Quetta in Balochistan and Lower Sindh. In Balochistan, we have coking coal, locally called sharik coal. In Sindh, we have lignite low quality coal. In Punjab, we have bituminous coal to lignite. And in NWFE, we have also some mines of the coal which are of sub-bituminous coal. Now hydel or water power. Hydel means water. So the power or the energy produced from the water or the flowing of the water is known as hydroelectric power, or we can say hydropower stations use the force of flowing water to spin the hydro turbines. HEP or hydroelectric power is best developed in mountainous region where precipitation is adequate and there is a steep slope or gradient. The location of hydroelectric power plants at Tabela, Mangla and Warsik Dam and other sites in Pakistan. Hydroelectricity is a major source of energy in Pakistan. Most of the hydropower of Pakistan are located on the river of northern hilly and mountainous areas where the rugged topography provides a good head for the generation of electricity. A good head makes the water fall from a sufficient height onto the turbine wheel to move it. At the time of independence, there were two hydropower in Pakistan, namely Rinala and Malakand. Since then, 7 more important hydropower plants have been added. Of them, Tabela, Mangla and Warsik are large projects. There are a number of small hydel plants in Pakistan. One of them is Rinala, located on the upper Bari Doab. The demand for electrical energy in Pakistan is increasing rapidly. A quick solution to the problem is required. Giant hydel projects like the Bela and Mangla are not answer to this problem. Such projects take about 15 years from the preparation of the feasibility report to the commissioning of the plant. They involve heavy investment and return takes a long time. Small plants can be completed in a much shorter time. Investment is considerably less, and the return starts much more quickly. Pakistan should go for small plants for which many sites are available. China and Japan have gainfully utilized many small hydel plants.